Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, we're going to see the information regarding one of India's largest off-campus recruitment drives conducted by Wipro. Now, this is called the Elite NTH 2022. Now, this is, to make it simple, it is very similar to the TCS Ninja. So, this is basically for an engineering graduate, okay, from anywhere in the country. Okay, so it can mean the candidate can be from any college, any university, because usually what happens, like the companies they go for, especially the top companies, they go for only like specific selected colleges or universities. Okay, so for that reason, now what they are doing is Wipro and TCS like companies, they are coming up and picking up candidates from all or any deserving candidate from the open market. Okay, so they are just calling it the equal opportunity employment. Okay, and the NTH stands for the Elite National Talent Hunt. So anyone from any campus, any engineer who has got the basic criteria, who is fulfilling the marks, can apply for this. To start with compensation, so the salary is 3.5 lakhs per annum. Of course, apart from this, there are some other benefits and perks. Now you'll have to sign a service agreement of for a period of 12 months and for a rate of 75,000 rupees. You have to sign a service agreement, and the designation would be project engineer at the entry level. And important dates: the registration opens on 23rd August 2021 and the last date to apply will be 15th of September 2021, and the online assessment will be tentatively held between 20th September and 25th September. And coming to the educational qualification, so 10th class 60% or above, 12th standard 60% or above, and also in the graduation 65% or 65% or 65% or above, or CGPA equivalent to 65% percentage or above. So this is the criteria regarding the marks and percentages, and only full-time courses are eligible for this hiring. No part-time or correspondence or distance learning education in either 10th or 12th or degree is permitted. And so the degree that are eligible: BE, BTech or ME, MTech 5 years integrated courses, only these courses are eligible. And in these courses, any branch of study is allowed except fashion technology, textile engineering, agriculture and food technology. Except these branches, any other branch of engineering is allowed. Now, year of passing 2022 only. So the candidates or the students who are presently pursuing the final year, who are into the final year and will be passing out in 2022, only those candidates are eligible for this particular hiring. And so the other criteria: maximum of one backlog is allowed at the time of assessment, and the offer will be subject to clearing all the backlogs, and a maximum of 3-year gap is allowed in education between 10th to graduation. And of course, full-time degree is already mentioned. Now, even if the candidate has got an arrear now, at the time of the selection, the arrears all should have been cleared. Okay, and the candidates who have already appeared in the recent past, okay, in the last 6 months, you should not have appeared for any of the Wipro selection process. You should not have appeared for any of the Wipro hiring process. So should be an Indian citizen or should have the PIO or OCA card in the event of holding passport of any other country. And Bhutan and Nepal nationals need to submit their citizenship certificate. So these are the other criteria given. And coming to the selection process, so first you have an online assessment for 2 hours and 8 minutes. So 128 minutes, comprising 3 sections. So the first section is aptitude test for a duration of 48 minutes. So in this you'll be tested on your logical ability skills, quantitative ability skills, and then the verbal ability. Now as far as this section is concerned, with regard to the logical ability and quantitative ability, you can find videos related to that in our channel Learning About. You can make use of it. Some of the sample videos links are given in the description below. You can click on that. And written communication test, that will be for a duration of 20 minutes. You will be asked to write an essay. And the third section would be online programming test for a duration of 60 minutes. and you'll be asked to write 2 programs using any of the programming languages like Java, C, C++ or Python. So this is for a duration of 2 hours and 8 minutes, that is 128 minutes. Now this is the online program. Now after that, so the candidates who qualify this will be later on called for a business discussion round, which is the technical and HR interview rounds. Okay, now coming to how to apply. So if you are watching this video after 23rd of August, then you can look at the description below. You will find the link. Okay, so as of now the link is not available. If you are watching the video after 23rd of August, in the description you will find the link to apply. Now, so usually in the forms, okay, what you will have as far as Wipro is concerned is, you'll be asked to upload your CV or resume, and you'll be asked to update your address, profile picture, phone number, identity type, class 10th, class 12 details and graduation details. You'll be asked to enter. This is the usual Wipro procedure. Okay. Also, the TCS, they have extended, TCS Ninja date has been extended to 20. Earlier it was 15th of August. Now it is extended to 29th of August. So if there is any change in the dates, okay, some minor changes in the date or something, okay, so I'll be updating in the relevant video in the pinned message, in the comment, in the pinned comment, I'll be updating. So even if you are looking on a particular video at a later point of time, if there is any latest update, you can find that in the pinned comment. Okay, all right. So I hope the information I have provided in this video was useful to you. Now if you found it useful, please click on the like button and share it with your friends, and if you are not already subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.